Hello everyone and welcome back to our shop. Today I want to present you a 2025 Porsche Cayenne S, and I want to present it to you because we have a special color, a special film that we apply to this specific car. It's called STEK DYNOprism in matte finish. So basically it's a clear film, paint protection with the flakes in it. So when you apply it to the gloss black cars, it becomes purple, color shifting to blue. And it has a very nice finish, and to make this satin look at the moment, we applied also a ceramic coating on top of the film. As you see, it looks like a really nice, and it looks like a painted car from the factory. Also, we did some other things like ceramic tint on the windshield, on the sides of the car, called STEK NEX. It's a graphene-based film that it rejects the heat on the craziest level. Also, we did small smoky headlights on from STEK as well. It's called Dyno Shade. It looks more premium. It protects the headlights as well, and high warranty for like 7 years. Also, we did some protection on the high gloss here on the accessories, on the full front, rear. It's gonna look always black, no matter what, they're not gonna fade. Plus, all plastic on the whole car around, it's been ceramic coated. It's gonna protect from UV, it's gonna protect from any small scratches, and it's gonna highlight the black color of the plastic itself. Plus, overall, all the ceramic that has been applied on the car, it's gonna offer a hydrophobic effect, and it's going to be easy to clean up the car in the future. So in the interior, we installed some PPF as well. First of all, on the screens, the center, the one on the driver's side, we covered the whole gloss accents in the car with paint protection as well, the dash, and the most important is the actual center console in gloss black. These are the most areas that it's going to be scratched over the time. So everything is covered in PPF and we're never going to scratch. It will look like brand new all the time, high gloss black. Overall, everybody was very skeptical about how this car will look in person once it's going to be ready. But right now we can tell this looks amazing, special and different. This car came out just like perfection, and it's a real fit for the car itself. The color is just a bomb. So just take a look in the video we have for you, edited, just the car itself, and leave a comment if you like it or not.